Want to format a hard drive in Windows 11? Whether to clear junk, remove malware, or switch the systems? Critical warning: formatting will permanently erase all data on the drive, so proceed with caution. Choose the right file system, pick the file system based on your needs. NTFS Windows 11 default supports compression, encryption, and permission management. Stable and ideal for internal drives and important data storage. exFAT, high compatibility with large storage support, perfect for external hard drive, USB drive, especially over 32 GB, and cross-use between Windows and Mac. FAT32, old format with wide compatibility, but no more than 4 GB, suitable for small USB drives and all devices, not recommended for daily use. And NTFS, Microsoft's next-gen format, supports large capacity and already repairs minor data corruption. No compression encryption support, designed for servers or large backup drives, rarely used by ordinary users. First super important tip on today: back up important data before formatting. If you forget, don't panic. We'll show you how to recover data with Drecov later. Practical part number 6: ways to format hard drive on Windows 11. Method number 1: via system settings. Most intuitive one, best for beginners. The first method is perfect for computer beginners. Full graphical interface. Just follow the clicks. Press Windows + I to open settings. Then click System, Storage and Sequence. Scroll down to find Advanced Storage Settings. Click to enter and select Disks and Volumes. Locate the target disk partition to format. Click the 3 dots on the right and select Properties. Click Format on the Properties page. Enter a drive name and select the corresponding file system. NTFS or exFAT is recommended. Check Perform a Quick Format, quickly clears indexes without sector-by-sector scanning, saving time. Then click Format to finish. Method number 2: using disk management, basic professional operation. Disk management is a classic Windows tool that allows you to intuitively view disk partition status, and the operation is not complicated. Press Windows + R to open the Run window, type disk mgmt.msc and press Enter to launch disk management. On the disk list on the right, right-click the drive partition to format and select Format. In the pop-up window, enter a volume label, select a file system, and perform a quick format. It's checked by default, of course. Click OK to confirm again in the pop-up warning window and wait a few seconds to complete. Method number 3: using File Explorer, quickest to learn, high-frequency daily use. This is the most straightforward method. Perfect for daily handling of USB drives and external hard drives. Double-click this PC on the desktop and press Windows + E to open File Explorer. In the This PC section on the left, find the target drive, such as USB drive, external hard drive, non-system partition, and so on. Right-click the drive, select Format, and a settings window will pop up. Set the volume, label, and file system. Check Perform a Quick Format, click Start, and wait for completion after confirming the warning. Method number 4: using Command Prompt (CMD) command line operation, suitable for advanced users. The command line method is suitable for users familiar with operations with high accuracy. Be careful not select the wrong disk number to avoid accidental data deletion. Press Windows + X. Select Terminal with admin, of course. Enter commands one by one, pressing Enter to confirm after each command. Disk part, launch the disk partitioning tool. List disk, display all disks on the computer, and remember the number of target disk. Disk 1 or disk 2, you got the idea. Select disk, the number, select the target disk, for example, disk 1. Clean, delete all partitions and data on the disk. Select disk, the number, select the target disk, for example, disk 1. Create partition primary, create a primary partition. Format FC, NTFS, quickly format to NTFS system to select exFAT, change to format FC exFAT quick. Assign letter X, assign a drive letter to the disk. X can be replaced with an unused letters such as F or G, and exit. Exit the disk part tool. Pitfall warning: be sure to confirm the correct disk number. Do not accidentally operate on the system disk, usually disk 0 corresponding to the C drive. And method number 5, using PowerShell. It's advanced command line natively recommended for Windows 11. PowerShell is an upgraded version of CMD with more powerful functions. Its operation logic is similar to CMD, but suitable for advanced users to try. Press Windows + X, select Terminal with admin of course, and it will enter PowerShell mode by default. Enter Get Disk and press Enter to view all disk information, then confirm the target disk number. Enter comments one by one and press Enter. Replace number with the target disk number, for example, number 2. Clear disk number, remove data. Confirm $false, clear disk data and skip the confirmation step. Initialize disk number, partition style, GPT. Initialize the disk to GPT partition format compatible with the devices and bear optional for all devices. New partition, disk number, use maximum size, drive letter X, create a maximum capacity partition, and assign drive letter X. Format volume, drive letter X, file system NTFS, new file system label, my disk format to NTFS, system and name it my disk. Name and file system can be modified. Subsequence protection, data recovery with Drecov. Forgot to backup file after formatting or lose data due to this corruption or power outage? Don't panic, PandaOffice Drecov is your last line to defense for data recovery. Critical reminder: stop writing new data on the target disk immediately after data loss. No downloads, new folders, and so on. Overwriting original data will lower recovery success. And now, simple steps for beginners. Download and install. Install Drecov on Windows 11. Open it to enter the main interface directly, no complex settings. Connect and select. Connect external drives or USB if needed. Choose the formatted corrupted disk under hard drives and locations. Scan and preview. Click Start Scan. Use Quick Scan for recent loss. Switch to Deep Scan for all the lost data throughout but slower. Preview files by type. Photos, docs, videos to check integrity. Or recover and save. Select files to recover. Click Recover. Save to another storage device, never the original disk of course, to avoid overwriting. Wait for completion. And bonus! Drecov supports recovery from accidental deletion, disk corruption, and partition loss. Free preview available. Confirm recoverability first, no wasted cost. And video closing part. Let's wrap up with critical tips to avoid mistakes. First, system C drive warning. Cannot format directly. System is in use. Formatting requires a USB bootable PE system, which will erase the OS backup first. Format type difference. Quick format only deletes file indexes, data recoverable with Drecov. Full format scans sectors, recovery nearly impossible. Choose quick format for daily use. Backup first always. Backing up is the top priority before formatting. If you forget, use Drecov immediately and avoid writing new data to the drive. In summary, formatting is great for disk maintenance and data cleanup, but backup first is super necessary. For accidental data loss, PandaOffice Drecov is your go-to rescue tool. If this guide helps, like, save, and follow for more Windows 11 tips. See you in the next time.